That's you, Asher! Thank you. Asher, that's you. Asher, look up.
Please welcome the Cooler
up there?
family.
Wow, that's so cool.
Asher, Albert forgot there's a cruise today.
Yeah.
All right, how far are you? How long does the car take?
I'll be there in like 5 hours.
You're not gonna make it. You're not gonna make it. We'll have fun without you, right, Asher?
Yeah.
I give up.
You can't go in this video. You can't go in this video. Cause you won't make it in the time.
Asher, are you gonna have to take over for Albert?
Yeah.
Oh man, Disney. Oh man.
It's old man Disney. Old man Disney.
There you go. What are you most excited about?
Going to the pool and there's one more thing I gotta tell you. And the last thing I want to decide about is the kids area.
What? So pool, kids area, you gonna do the slide?
Yeah, I love this slide. I just want to go on it again.
You're gonna do the slide at the kids area and the pool? What about the pool slide?
Yes, I'm going to do that too.
Asher, are you relaxing in the rainforest?
Yeah.
How much food did you eat?
Welcome everyone to the Adventures Technology.
Asher, where are we eating?
Our mission is to
Michael,
inspire
look,
on it.
Oh my God.
What just happened?
Asher! Asher, what'd you do? You made us. Jess, where's Spider-Man? Where is he? There he is.
Everyone got my invitation. And look, you all made it.
Did you like the Elsa show? Is it your favorite restaurant so far? What are you eating?
Hash browns.
Is this your favorite breakfast to have?
And the eggs. That's it.
And that's what you eat for breakfast every day?
Yep.
Yeah, what'd you eat?
Ice cream, strawberry.
Is it good? What's your favorite flavor to eat?
Strawberries, vanilla.
What's your favorite food to eat on board the Mickey Mouse boat?
Peanuts for salsa.
How are you enjoying your Mickey Mouse boat time?
Yeah.
What if another 5-year-old's watching this and goes, I don't know if I should go on a Mickey Mouse boat? What would you tell them?
You could.
Why?
Because Mickey Mouse boats are really fun.
Where are you going?
The kids area.
Asher, bye. Have fun. Nothing. Nothing from him.
Super awesome.
Yeah, time to go play.
You guys first, don't want to do it underwater again. You did it, Asher.
I'm not going to fly now.
Was it fun?
Yeah. I always.
Here.
So, can we go back in the pool? Take it up, Daddy.
Asher, yeah!
This is Asher going to Lighthouse Point.
Asher,
What?
is this how you get to Lighthouse Point? You go in style? Asher, are you going in style? What is it, Asher? What do you have? You like that? What do you think of Disney Wish so far?
It's so good. You must get here one day at Disney Wish.
What would you tell all your friends if they say, hey, should I go on a Disney cruise? What would you tell them?
Yes.
And what's your favorite part?
The favorite part is two things. Going down the slide, the kids area, and the pool.
And the pool?
Yeah, those are my three things.
Cool.
I got you and trick you.
Why, you tricked me?
Yeah.
What about the food? You like the food?
Oh yeah, it's so great. It brought me to it.
How much ice cream have you eaten? Are you ready to go home?
I want to stay here. No!
What is it? What is it?
Make it out!
Where?
Make it out!
Did we surprise you?
Yeah, it did. It's gonna be the best. Oh, yeah, you're so excited.
It's Old Man Disney.